This is 3 days since our Igwe got missing. This ugly development has thrown the entire kingdom into confusion and his family into sorrow. My elders, what do we do?
Elders,
Ndichi, there is nothing to do now until those warriors that left in search of him returns.
Solution. Yes, solution.
One question keeps bothering me. How could the Igwe leave the 4 walls of this palace without informing anybody? No information, not even to the queen as regards to his whereabouts. And he left the 4 walls of this palace without just one bodyguard, not one. There is more than meets the eye.
Ndichi, there is no need for such questions now. The deed has been done. All we need now is solution to this problem.
What is the situation?
we found you guys. They brought us to Okuku.
Hey! Look at me in the bogey, Diana. Look at me in the bogey, Diana. I'm going to say, Yeke. She will let you fetch it. Can you go to the blue night? What is your baba when they call? Hey!
My fellow elders.
Oh no.
It's okay. This is no time for blames, but for solution. There must be a solution to this. Okay?
My son, you're not eating.
Must Okuku kill each time he's angry? Huh?
Okuku is a god, and the ways of the gods men cannot understand. However, Okuku does not kill without a cause.
No cause is worth taking a man's life. No cause.
My son, the gods are wiser than you.
I know.
Then stay away from the ways of the gods and eat your food. When you go, leave the gods alone.
Elders, now that our people is what is our next line of action?
Okafor, good question from you. My fellow elders, we have to send for his son, the prince, the heir apparent to the throne, who is abroad, because he must be present before we can commence with burial arrangements.
That's true, that is true. In that case, let us send for him immediately.
Yes. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Praise.
Good to see you, princess. Wow, you look so beautiful.
Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Welcome.
Oh, Ikenna. Yeah. Oh, my son, you're welcome. Oh.
Come here, I missed you so much.
Thank you. Miss you. Oh, wow. You look big.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
This is my friend Anderson.
Oh, my son, how are you?
Anderson, my mom.
Oh, thank you.
That's what's up, man. Welcome to Africa.
You're welcome, my
You're welcome, my friend.
Mom? Wow. Oh, Mom, where's my lovely princess? Where's she at?
Oh, Adeze. Adeze is in her room.
Okay, I thought as much.
Son, can you see how big you have grown? And no one will ever believe that I gave birth to you. Because we are almost at the same age.
Oh, come on, Mom. Don't forget I know the story. I know the story. Dad got married to you only at the age of 14 because you were the most beautiful girl that got him attracted on the Royal Queens contest, and you took him just a few months later. I know that story.
So your father told you all this.
Oh, come on, Mom.
You're not just funny, but as memorable as your father.
Mom, I mean, where's the great Okemili? I mean, I've been in the country for like 3 hours. And he's nowhere to be found, and nobody's saying anything about it. Did he travel? I mean, he should know I'm back. I mean, he must be happy that I'm back.
Okay, Mary.
Mom? Mom?
Son, your father passed on.
Who's there? Yes? This is there. The beast. Boy, time to play. You know what time it is?
no problem. I don't see you on your say. Okuku. Whatever is right. Whatever is right. Okuku, women, you blow your name. You blow your majority. Okuku, Ejime Belibia. Ejime Ogubia. Okukudo. Okuku ejimegi iri we bia. Ejimegi iri ega. Okuku. Mmụọ na-ana mesi. Mmụọ na-ana isi m. Ya were isi eburu. Ya were isi eburu. Ya were isi eburu. Okuku ina-ego iri ega. Ngoku. Happy to Okuku. To spare the life of our people.
Where are you running? We are United States Marine, and America do not negotiate with terrorists. Yeah! You are the I love why you nigga!
Okuku, thank you once again for accepting my abasement. Thank you for your mercy. Thank you for sparing our people. Thank you for stopping the killing. Thank you, great Okuku. Thank you, Okuku. Thank you.
I told you all, but you wouldn't believe me. The dragon is just a fucking beast. He's not a damn god. Didn't he get scared at our firepower and fled? Come on, man. We are US Marine.
Prince, the dragon will return.
You said what?
Yes. The dragon I visited many times, went back, and returned.
Yeah? I'll get it.
What's up, dog?
My prince and my elders. The dragon has returned. What? And it's killing people near the Treachery River.
Oh! I told you, my prince. I said it!
Where do I find the beast?
Far away in the forest, the ancestral forest. That's where you get it.
In that case, we attack it there. But I need someone to lead us.
My prince, I'm sorry you cannot go.
Says who?
You cannot fight the dragon. See, you are the future king of this kingdom. We cannot risk you.
And that is the more reason I have to save my kingdom from this evil beast.
My prince, Okuku is very powerful. Your father died in this adventure. Don't dare it. I suggest, my prince, that let us appease Okuku. He will leave us alone. Let's appease it.
Listen, old man. I am Ikenna, the son of Okemili, United States Marine. United States do not negotiate with terrorists, and I will not negotiate with your damn gods. Now listen, I am not my father. I am his son. And for the last time, I need a volunteer that will lead me to that forest. And you will!
My prince, I have a bad leg.
We'll leave tomorrow.
Me?
Hey! Hey! Oh no, are you looking at me?
Get out, busy. What have I said wrong now? And what did I say wrong?
Please, I beg you, stay with us. Don't go.
Please save your life for us, please.
Listen, Mom. We are United States Marine. And we are specially trained for this. I promise you I'll be back. Okay? And little sis, it's okay, stop crying. I'll be back for you with the head of the dragon as a gift. And then I shall be crowned the king.
Brother!
Listen, let's go. Jogu, just like I requested, you look cute on your Biafran attire.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go play some game.
Oh no.
Njoku, go. May the gods be with you.
Look at my face.
Hey, Jock.
My prince.
I think this is the end of the road. And then no other way?
No. You see, this is the only road. And you know, you cannot take this big car. So let us go. Meaning, we go by foot.
Shit! You never said this, old man.
You never asked.
Damn shit! What do we do now?
No can do. We'll go by feet, if that's the only choice. I want to save my people from this beast, so I don't fucking care what happens. You know how we roll?
Yeah.
So let's go kick some ass.
Right. Let's go.
Njoku, I have a gift for you.
Hey, my friends.
Yes, this is a little gift from the US Marine. So you don't need this.
Hey, Chelu. Okuiche, this is Iche's cap. You have to respect it. But I don't want to fight the dragon. Hey.
Let's go to war.
All right.
Where do you go? You know what you are? You're a lazy man.
Thank you, man.
Thought you said you were a Biafran soldier.
Wrap up Biafra, leave Biafra out of this. I am tired. You know, bro, let him rest for a while, right?
Come on, man, we'll have no time.
Bro, just let him rest for a while, eh? He's an old man, can't you see that?
Let's give him some energy. It's called energy drink. You don't know what it is?
Try it first.
You don't know what it is?
Please try it.
There you go. It will strengthen you up. You good?
Very good.
Feels good? Yeah, I thought as much. Drink some more, it will help you.
Okay. I'm okay. I have energy now.
Bring it here. You good?
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Now you know what it takes to be a soldier.
Yes.
Now let's go.
Anima, let's go. Let's go. Right.
Did I hear you right? Are you kidding me? Do I look like I'm joking? Listen, old man, I didn't walk this far to come and look at a tree or a damn shrine. All I asked from you was to show me the beast.
My prince, Okuku, the beast lives in there.
And listen, can you hear this old fool?
Bullshit.
Listen, Ndiagu, it's impossible for dragons to live in a tree. Dragons live in a fucking rock, for crying out loud.
My prince, believe me, I am telling you the truth. Okuku lives in there. My prince, please, I want to ease myself.
Ndiagu, listen, look at me. Look at me. Don't do anything stupid. You have 60 seconds. Now go.
60 seconds. Mimakamu, how do you go? Alright.
What's keeping this old fool?
I don't know, bro.
Go look out for him. What's up, Anderson? Where's Ndiagu?
Nowhere to be found. What do we do now?
Time to play a game, boy. We'll bring down this tree.
Ikenna, son of Okemiri, why have you come to disturb me? Go home before I change my mind and kill you.
Can you hear him?
Nego, Dragon talks in Africa? can't believe it.
Lie! We are the United States Marines, and America do not negotiate with terrorists. Yeah. I am not here to negotiate with you. I am here to eliminate you. So die!
Anderson! 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 No! No!
I told you to leave, but you are as stubborn as your father. I do not intend to shed the blood of a prince or any member of the royal household, except she that I so desire for a sacrifice.
God bless you.
Now go, and never shall I see your face, or you will die.
Yes, never. I'm going. Okay, I'm going.
My son, you mean you found him at the forest?
Yes.
But what is actually wrong with him?
Mama, I do not know. But with the help of this, he will recover soon and speak to us.
Okay.
We have come to find out that atrocity or the crime was committed against Okuku. That is killing our people.
I know that a day like this will come when you people will come for answer. That which you seek lies in the atrocity committed many years ago.
What could that be?
Patience, my elder. That which your heart seek lies in the atrocity committed many years ago.
Who are you fellas? And I mean, how did I get here?
Relax, huh? Calm down, I will tell you. Relax. My name is Ikenga. I found you in the forest, lifeless. And I brought you down here to help you. Huh? And this is my mother. Don't worry. Relax.
Are you?
I am Ikenna, the prince of Ndiagu.
Ndiagu.
You know my kingdom?
Mother, anything, any problem? Are you sure?
Listen guys, you guys need to help me get back home, okay? I don't know, my car is parked somewhere in the jungle, but you need to lead me back home.
Understand, but you need to get some more rest. Huh? You need to get some rest. We will fix you something to eat. Okay. After that, I believe you'll be strong enough for the journey.
Alright, so you're promising to show me my way back home?
It started many years ago.
My fellow elders, it's been a long time since the mourning period of the late Igwe passed. Yet, our throne has remained vacant because of the law ahead between Atama here and Okemiri on who to assume the throne of Ndiagu kingdom. Now, what is our decision on this? According to the new tradition, the mantle of kingship now falls on Atama here, who is the only male child in Obioha family.
Liar! Liar! How much did Atama pay you? How much did Atama pay you to fabricate the story? How much did this thief pay you?
Would you respect my elders? Want Okemiri to mind his utterances?
Or what will happen, Atama? Or what will happen? You are only a feeble he-goat. I will beat you blue-black with my fist, Atama.
Okemiri, real men do not show their valiance with physical strength but wisdom. Is this the way you will lead your people if you become the king?
Watch your mouth, Atama. Watch your mouth before I shut it for you, coward. The throne is and remains mine by birthright, and not even the tradition, not the custom can change that. Atama, watch your mouth. Atama, watch your mouth.
Calm down, the both of you, okay? Must you put confusion each time we meet on this regard? Eh? Please, we should be more mature in it.
Yeah, one Atama to stay off my crown, or heaven will roll. Atama, heaven.
And if that happens, where will you hide?
My elders, I will not stay here and favor word with this feckless man. Do not waste their words, especially the ones with royal blood. Atama, do not cross my path. Do not cross my path, Atama. Stay off my path. Do not dare me, Atama.
Prince Okemiri, Okemiri, are you walking out? Prince, are you walking out on the elders?
I'm sorry.
You're welcome, my prince. Thank you. I hope I didn't keep you waiting, Chintu. Not at all, not at all. I want you to remain on my side in this contest. But my prince. No but, Ichodogu. Here is a sum of 10,000 naira.
Yes, for your loyalty.
All this for me?
Yes,
and more to come. With this, my prince, I assure you, you are already on the throne. Your words are soothing to the soul. I'll be on my way now. What is it?
I had a bad dream.
You and dreams. Let's continue our sleep.
My husband, you have to give up your fight for the throne, please.
How could you say a thing like that?
Your brother Okemiri is evil. He will do everything possible to stop you. Please, my husband, I don't want to lose you. Please, just give up the throne, please.
Obi, I'm not surprised at your judgment. Because women are known for fear. But let me promise you one thing. Nothing will happen to me. Obi, it is not as if I'm too desperate or ambitious of becoming the king. What you have to understand is that I must protect our tradition. I must protect the throne from that brat. That proud and arrogant brat, Okemiri.
I know. Obi, I know. But I'm scared. I'm so scared. Please give up the throne, please.
You don't have to be scared. See, very soon everything will be over. I will be crowned the king, and you, the queen, and the prince of our land. Let's go to bed. Let's go back to sleep.
Look, Prince Okemiri. Look, if you think you can stop me on my way to bribe me, you are making the worst mistake. I shall stand on the side of truth and justice. No amount of treasure can change the decision of our gods. I repeat, no amount of treasure can change the decision of our gods.
We shall see, you stubborn old fool. We shall see.
We shall see. You see, all I'm saying is that customs and traditions are man-made decisions approved by the gods. Our ancestors have created these customs and traditions for us to follow, which I believe they did not even abide to. So if we critically analyze this custom and tradition and we see that it is not to the best of our interest, we can either amend it, or better still, we retain the one that we already have. After all, the gods will still approve it. Meshono Odogu! Odogu Meshono! How dare you utter such blasphemy? Eh? Do you want to invoke the wrath of the gods? And who are you to decide what will invoke the wrath of the gods or not? Odogu, wash your mouth!
Elders of Ndiagu, though I'm not a member of the royal cabinet, but as an elder, I still believe that Atama is the rightful heir to our throne. Because Prince Okemiri is arrogant and our new tradition is sure and the best. You
see, I can see that this desperate, over-ambitious beast Okemiri has bribed you against truth and justice of our gods. But I will never be part of it. Never! Whether you people like it or not, Okemiri is going to be on that throne. Odogu, wash your mouth! Odogu, wash your mouth! Odogu!
Njoku has finally made things very difficult for me. I am afraid he has succeeded in turning the minds of the members of the royal cabinet against me, Okemiri. I do not want to lose the throne, Njoku. I do not want to lose that throne at Akatabo. I need your help, and I promise to reward you immensely.
You have nothing to worry. Nguku, our God, is a merciful God. He will help you as long as you reward me immensely.
I promise to reward you beyond your imagination. Thank you once again. I mean, your words have given me reason to smile.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Obin, do you like the food?
Deli?
It's delicious.
Delicious. Let me give you.
Obi, bring the food. No, I'm not hungry. Hey, the food is for you. I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. It's not for you. For him.
Obi, you always say he. How do you know he's a boy?
I'm very certain. My instincts don't fail me.
Okay, let's wait and see how genuine your instinct is.
Ram that is blinded by the pride of the huge size of his horn that throws a battle challenge to the leopard. Atama, you are the foolish ram by contesting for that throne with I, Okemiri, the son of the late Abogidi, the greatest king of Ndiagu. Atama! 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 It is only foolish ram that is blinded by the pride of its huge size of horn throws a battle challenge to the leopard. Atama, you are the foolish ram by contesting for that throne with I, Okemiri, the son of late Abogidi, the greatest king of Ndiagu. Today, Atama, die like the stupid and foolish ram that you are. You must die.
Come on, take water, take water. Obi, drink water. Take water, take water. Obi!
You must die, Atama. You must die. You must die. You must die. You must die.
My elders, I was eating with my husband. Suddenly he started acting like someone whose neck is in pain. I tried to ask him what was wrong. But before he could speak a word, he started spitting foam from his mouth.
That is strange, isn't it? Very, very strange.
This woman is a liar. She's not saying the truth. It's obvious our brother Atama died from food poisoning. Or how can you explain that our brother was eating and all of a sudden died with foam coming out of his mouth? Let her say the truth.
My prince, are you trying to say that I killed my husband? A man I love from the depth of my heart.
Stop pretending, woman! Stop pretending and tell the elders the truth. Elders,
my prince,
do not be deceived by her fake tears, her crocodile tears. This woman is evil.
My elders,
you see, what I don't understand is
How can she possibly kill her own husband? Is that possible?
Dogo, that is not the point here. That is not the point at all. Her reason for committing that atrocity is not important. What is important is to see that she pays for her sin. She should pay for her sin.
Right. Are you trying to say that you believe him?
Of course I do. That's what I'm saying.
You see, there is no point for unnecessary arguments and chaosity. Let us send for the Ezeh more immediately. I'm sure he will tell us what to do.
Yes.
Let us send for him.
It's okay. Hey, madam, stop your crocodile tears. Stop your crocodile tears here. Okay? The truth must be stood as tradition demands. Yes.
Rather than ridicule yourself before Okuku and the Prophet Ndiagu.
I am innocent.
Okuku will decide. Step on the mat of justice and prove your innocence.
I killed my husband. I poisoned his food.
I said it, this woman is evil. This woman is evil, I said it.
People of Ndiagu, you have seen what you seek for. This woman will be banished to Ibeh forest, where she will have no association from people of Ndiagu. That is the voice of the gods. The gods have spoken.
Thank you very much, Atakatabo. Everything went as planned.
I told you not to worry. By now, she'll be wallowing in agonies in the ancestral forest.
And for my rival, his body will soon rot in the soil. And no one will stand on my path to the throne. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Your Majesty. No one is greater than my God.
My fellow elders, now that Atama is dead and the dispute is over, I think it's high time we crown a new king. Because we cannot continue to have our throne vacant. And from the look of things, it is so clear that Okemiri is the chosen one. And so we should go ahead and crown him as the king.
I disagree with you. I disagree with you people. Look, despite the fact that Atama is dead, we still have to look into our traditions.
Yes.
We must look into our traditions.
There is no more deliberation on this matter. Okemiri is the next Igwe of Ndiagu. The gods have spoken. And the words of the gods.
My king, that was how Okemiri and Atakatabo conspired to give the crown of Ndiagu to Okemiri illegally. Though the gods got angry and struck my predecessors to death, their anger has remained unappeasable for Ndiagu because of that atrocity. We all know things were bad at the inception of Okemiri's reign because he was hated by the people of Ndiagu because of his arrogance and tyranny. He was afraid he may lose his glory as a king. So he consulted Okuku, the great god, to help him. He begged Okuku to make him powerful. Okuku made him the most powerful king of our time. But Okuku asked for a price which he couldn't pay. Okuku asked him to bring his daughter, Ezeh, as sacrifice, but he refused. And that is why Okuku is angry with Ndiagu. And Nguku, our god, is also angry with Ndiagu for Okemiri illegal raid. And Nguku, our god, is also angry with Ndiagu over Okemiri illegal raid.
So what do we do? And how do we escape the wrath of Okuku?
There is only one way to appease Okuku. Only one way to find the right king of Ndiagu. Okuku made a covenant with him. And by the bond of that covenant, only him will Okuku listen to. And only him is worthy to sit on the throne of Ndiagu to fulfill the destiny the gods prepared for his father. That is the only way the gods will return their favor to Ndiagu, and peace will once again reign.
Wise one, how do we find him?
In the faraway forest, though my veins are very weak from old age, but I will journey with you. When he is found, your problems will be over. We will leave tomorrow.
Onye
Young man, very nice to meet you.
Greetings, elders. Who are you and what are you doing in the middle of the forest?
We came from the faraway land of Ndiagu, and we are looking for a certain young man who lives in this forest with his old mother.
Well, no one else lives here except my mother and I, and of course, many wild animals.
What is the name of your mother?
Why do you ask?
Please, my son, it's very important that you tell us. Our kingdom will be in great danger if we don't find him.
It's usually not in my habit to speak to strangers. But for the respect I have for elders, and from the way you look, seems what you seek is of great importance. My mother's name is Adugo.
Huh? In that case, you are the man we are looking for.
Why me?
My son, it's a long story. Please, can you give us some water to quench our thirst? Then we can sit down and talk.
That was how it all happened.
Mother, is it true? Their story, is it true? Is it true that my father was supposed to be the king and he was killed? And I am from Ndiagu and I am the heir to their throne, is it true?
You must believe me, my son. For I speak not from my knowledge, but that of the gods. You must also help us to talk to Okuku to stop this bloodshed.
Well, I do not believe you, old man. Only one person can confirm your story. That person is my mother. I ask you again, mother. Is it true?
Son, what they speak is true.
Really?
I was chased into this forest where I labored and suffered alone until I met a kind hunter, Onyoma, who was living here. He accommodated me, but later died. That was how I inherited this hut from him. I lived all alone in this forest. Suffered all alone till I gave birth to you.
Great Okuku, the god of the winds. He puts his eyes oversees this forest. Helpless and wounded I am. A poor pregnant widow. Whose his people rejected and abandoned for a crime she did not commit. To your grace and mercy, oh great Okuku, they have survived in the jungle, nurturing the fruit of my womb. I do not know what the future holds for me or my child, so I dedicate him to you today. I do not know if I will live to see his innocent face. I will die in labor.
me his great Okuku. Please see me to delivery. Protect him as your own.
I have heard you, woman. No harm shall come to you nor your child. I shall make him my own. His voice I shall hear, and through his eyes I shall see. This is my covenant with him.
My son, that was how I dedicated you to Okuku. I never wanted to tell you who you were until the right time. And the right time now is now, my son.
It is why it's only your voice that we can hear. Can you not save your people from destruction, Your Majesty?
How dare you appear before Okuku? You will all die.
Great Okuku. Please. Great Okuku. Great one, I beg you. Spare their lives. They come in peace.
Why do you wish to save them? Have I cursed their people?
Well, because life is precious.
Not the lives of those who inflicted pain on you and your mother.
Great Okuku, it wasn't their fault. Okemiri should take the blame. It wasn't their fault at all. They are my people.
Oh, you already know this story.
Yes, I know the story. He told me everything.
I will spare the lives of these three, according to your request. But the rest of the inhabitants of Ndiagu will feel my wrath. I have been very patient with them, because each time I strike, he pacifies my anger with his sacrifice. But this time around, I will show no mercy.
Hey, Great Okuku, Great One, please. It is me. Huh? It is me. I am begging you. Do not harm anyone anymore, Biko.
Death is the price of my cause. I have cursed Ndiagu, and they will pay with their blood.
He is going to attack. We must go.
I summoned you all to pick a date for my coronation ceremony.
With due respect, my prince, the gods have chosen the heir to the throne. You cannot be crowned anymore.
Yes.
How dare you speak such blasphemy, old man? And by the way, who do you talk as to be the chosen one?
He is the chosen one.
What a conspiracy.
Not at all.
And who are you, old man?
I am Okuku, the chief priest of Okuku, of Ndiagu, the eye and the mouthpiece of the gods.
To hell with you, Oturubo. To hell with you and your gods. I know him. You are the jungle boy. So no, you all are telling me the gods chose this jungle fellow to me, United States Marine.
Exactly.
Yes. You know what? You are fools. To hell with you people. To hell with all of you. You know what? You are just a bunch of criminals, conspirators and liars. But I tell you all, this throne belongs to me and no one else.
You lie! You lie!
You know what, jungle fellow? I was kind of liking you, but you are getting on my nerves.
This is the choice of the gods, not man. I pray you let us respect the choice of the gods and save our people from this calamity. Please.
I can see you're just being stubborn, but I tell you, I will send you to hell. Just wait and see.
I will send you to hell. You think you can mess with me? You think you can mess with me? Nobody messes with me. I am Prince Ikenna, the son of Oguegbu, and nobody messes with me.
Please, my friends, I beg of you. Please.
Huh? You know what? I don't trust any of you here, especially you, Ono. You all are a bunch of monkeys.
Why don't they, friends, let the will of God have his place?
Bloody go digger.
Enough! No more bloodshed, okay? No more bloodshed. Take me instead. Kill me, take my life, spill my blood, please!
I hate to see your tears, and the taste of your blood is like soured wine, for you are a part of me. I can see how heavy your heart is, that you shed tears. I swear by our covenant that I shall not make you cry anymore. I will make you the greatest of all kings that has threaded the surface of the earth, yet without a price. Your people shall become my own, and their blood as sacred as yours, that I must never feed on. I shall not return to Ndiagu, neither will my wrath. I thirsted for her blood, but now I know her destiny. You will work through the passage of royalty with her, her palm glued to yours, her breath close to yours, for she is a part of your destiny, the one you shall call your queen. Good luck, Ikenga. Good luck, son of Okuku, son of a god. I am with you always, even when I'm gone. Farewell, king of Ndiagu. Ngwogu, your god is with you.
All hail the new king of Ndiagu.
All hail the son of late Atama, for the gods
have favored
you. You're the kind hunter that saved my life in the jungle.
And I remember yours too. The vulnerable princess of Ndiagu. The gods have favored you.
Really? Well, I guess you're the favored one. Thank you.
Our people.
Thanks for saving my people.
He is the chosen one, the new king of Ndiagu.
Lord, you got it. You know, today will remain a memorable day in my life. The day I was crowned king of this great community. Words fail me. And before I go on, let me appeal to all of you here. Remember that I am new. You know, I am new in this. Just a few days ago, I was the hunter in the forest. Today, I'm seated here, the king of this great land. I am grateful to all of you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Let me recognize the presence of my mother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. She has been with me through thick and thin. And today, look where we are. I also want to recognize the presence of my wife, the new queen of this land. The new queen.
No.
Yes. Let me also recognize the presence of the Queen Mother.
Thank you.
And of course, the Onogu.
Your Majesty.
Thank you. Elders of our great community. And then, not forgetting our chief priest, Ezeh. Yes, like I said when I started, I promised to lead with so much wisdom. I am new in this, so I will always consult you people, and I need your support. I cannot do this alone. Stand with me. Let us bring back peace, progress, and unity and happiness to this great kingdom. Thank you.
Isikote buno baya